In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GitHub Copilot Enterprise to boost your coding workflow. We'll go through the core features in a practical, easy to follow way, so you can start using Copilot Enterprise more effectively inside your daily development process. To begin, open your preferred code editor, such as Visual Studio Code, and make sure you're signed into your GitHub account with an active Copilot Enterprise subscription. This is important because Copilot features won't be available unless your account is properly connected and licensed. If something seems missing later, this is always a good first thing to verify. Next, look at the status bar in the bottom right corner of your editor and confirm that the GitHub Copilot icon is active and connected. This quick check helps you make sure the assistant is ready before you start coding. If the icon shows that everything is connected, you're good to move on. Now open any code file and start typing a comment in plain English describing the function or logic you want to create. Be as clear as possible because better prompts usually lead to better suggestions. After writing the comment, press enter and let Copilot generate a code suggestion based on what you described. When a completion appears, you can press the tab key to accept it immediately. If the suggestion isn't what you want, press escape to reject it and continue working. This gives you a fast way to iterate without breaking your flow, and it's one of the simplest ways to use Copilot productively. You can also work with existing code. Highlight a block of code, right-click, and select the Copilot menu option. From there, you can ask Copilot to explain the code, refactor it, or generate unit tests automatically. This is especially useful when you're reviewing older code, improving readability, or speeding up test creation. For more interactive help, open the dedicated chat panel from the sidebar. Here, you can ask questions about your specific code base, architecture patterns, or internal documentation. This makes Copilot Enterprise feel more like a coding assistant you can collaborate with instead of just a code completion tool. Inside the chat panel, you can also use /commands like /doc or /tests to quickly generate documentation or test suites for your active file. These shortcuts can save time and help standardize repetitive tasks across your workflow. Finally, go to github.com in your web browser, navigate to your organization settings, and use the Enterprise dashboard to monitor usage metrics and manage feature policies.